having to jump, you can also lose weight. You will see. If you subscribed, don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you don't lose any of my videos. Do you want to lose weight but you cannot jump? Then this routine is perfect for you. To notice the change in your body, perform cardio without jumping at least 3 days a week. Also, if you combine this routine with my monthly calendar, you will see how you achieve incredible body results. You will see how simple it is. You just have to click on the words and it will take you directly to the videos planned for you. Download your calendar now at fanfit.com/workout. We will wait for you. Come on, ready? Here we go.
Somos las leyendas vivas.
This routine consists of 5 exercises. We will do each 30 seconds with each leg, and the entire routine we will complete in 3 sets. You can put ankle weights to intensify the exercise.
I don't wanna fall in love like this.
Let's get started with the workout. First exercise. Squat 4 steps and 4 foot steps. Here we go. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow my rhythm. Push out the glutes. Straight back.
Stay the night, I could have called you mine.
3, 2, 1. Well done. Second exercise. Touch glutes with legs, flex to the front, and do it with both legs. Here we go. Come on, touch your glutes. Follow my rhythm. Come on, a little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Third exercise. With legs always flexed, we carry them front and laterally. Here we go. Use your arms. Legs well flexed. Back straight. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Fourth exercise. On both sides, we bend one leg and touch our elbow with our knee. Here we go.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
Come on, stretch and touch your knee.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
Keep your back straight. 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Here we go.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
Come on, stretch your leg well.
Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that?
Touch elbow with your knee. 3, 2, 1.
Do you wanna follow?
Well done. Fifth exercise. Without moving your place, lift up our legs as fast as you can. Here we go.
Thinking I'm blind, cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the woman. The mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some
Come on,
personal
up
time.
those legs.
Pictures, dimensions, I don't what you did.
Follow my rhythm.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
Hold on, we're almost done. 3, 2, 1.
40 on 50 is really the time.
Well done.
Can I be the one?
How are you? Great. Let's go to the second set. Yes? Come on, here we go. First exercise. Squat 4 steps and 4 foot steps. Here we go. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow my rhythm. Push out the glutes.
Maybe if I try to fix this heart thing.
Straight back.
The night I could have called you mine.
3, 2, 1.
Be the one
Well
that
done.
you need.
Second exercise. Touch glutes with legs, flex to the front, and do it with both legs. Here we go. Come on, touch your glutes. Follow my rhythm. Come on, a little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Third exercise. With legs always flexed, we carry them front and laterally. Here we go. Use your arms. Legs well flexed. Back straight. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Fourth exercise. On both sides, we bend one leg and touch our elbow with our knee. Here we go.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
Come on, stretch and touch your knee.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
Keep your back straight. 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Here we go.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
Come on, stretch your leg well.
Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that?
Touch elbow with your knee. 3, 2, 1.
Do you wanna follow?
Well done. Fifth exercise. Without moving your place, lift up our legs as fast as you can. Here we go.
Thinking I'm blind, cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the one. Missing, I needed
Come
some
on,
personal
up
time.
those legs. Follow my rhythm.
They got problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
Hold on, we're almost done. 3, 2,
40 on 50 is really the time.
Well done.
Can I be the one that you need?
How are you? Third set? Yes? Then here we go. First exercise. Squat 4 steps and 4 foot steps. Here we go. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow my rhythm. Push out the glutes.
Maybe if I try to fix this heart thing.
Straight back.
The night I could have called you mine.
3, 2, 1.
I'll be the
Well
one that you
done.
need.
Second exercise. Touch glutes with legs, flex to the front, and do it with both legs. Here we go. Come on, touch your glutes. Follow my rhythm. Come on, a little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Third exercise. With legs always flexed, with carry them front and laterally. Here we go. Use your arms. Legs well flexed. Back straight. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Fourth exercise. On both sides, we bend one leg and touch our elbow with our knee. Here we go.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
Come on, stretch and touch your knee.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
Keep your back straight. 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Here we go.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna
Come on,
follow?
stretch your leg well.
Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that?
Touch elbow with your knee. 3, 2, 1.
Do you wanna
Well
follow?
done. Fifth exercise. Without moving your place, lift up our legs as fast as you can. Here we go.
Thinking I'm blind, cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the one. Missing, I
Come
needed
on,
some
up
personal
those
time.
legs. Follow my rhythm.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
Hold on, we're almost done. 3, 2,
40
and
50 is really the time.
Well done! Congratulations for having completed this entire routine with me. You will see that if you are consistent, with no jumping cardio, you can also notice results. One question, do you know my Instagram account? I invite you to follow me because there I share all the news that is on my channel, and also I have started to upload workout routines you will like. I wait for you. Now keep working out with more exercises. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, share it in your WhatsApp or Facebook groups, and subscribe to my channel to receive more routines.
Somos las leyendas vivas.